Today I am going to teach you relationship. Hi kids. Today I am going to teach you about relations, lines and function. First of all, I will be teaching you that what is a relation. A relation is a set of ordered pairs like the x and y coordinate. They are in the relationship. In a relation, all of x coordinates are called domain and all the y coordinates are called the range. What are they called? The range. For example, over here I have given you an example. Name the domain and range for this relation. So over here what you are able to see that there is -5 and -3. Whenever we are writing like this, at that time, first we used to put x, then we used to put the value of y. So over here the value of x is -5 and value of y is -3. In another bracket, -2 and 0, what is the value of x? -2. What is the value of y? 0. Then in another bracket 1 and 3, what you are able to see? That 1 is the value of x and 3 is the value of y. Another bracket 4 and 6, the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 6. In another bracket 7 and 9, the value of x is 7 and value of y is 9. As I have told you earlier also that all the numbers which are in x coordinate, they are called as domain, and all the values which are in y coordinate, they are called range. Sometimes when we are given several ordered pairs, what we can do? We can connect them by drawing a straight line. How we can do? By drawing a straight line. So the thing is now that I have told you about the relationship, that in relationship there is the value of x and y. Now the next point is that whether the relationship is function or not. Now you will be asking that what is functions? A relationship can be of any kind. A relationship can be any kind of relationship between sets of number, but functions are kind of relationship where there is only one y value for each x value. In other words, we can say a function is a kind of relationship where where none of x value is repeated. You have to keep in your mind that none of the x value is repeated. I know that just with this explanation, with this definition, your concept is not clear. First, I am giving you some basic examples, and after that, I will be taking 2 examples with the numbers. And I think so after doing that 2 examples, your concept of relation, lines and functions will be clear. So over here in example, I have given the 3 figures and I have written they are function, and in the next 3 figures they are not a function. Now it may be coming in your mind that how you can say that this relationship is function or whether this relationship is not a function. So for that I have taken 2 examples. Now you have to keep 2 points in your mind, and while doing these examples, the concept of relation and function will be very much clear to you. My first question is, in a relationship shown in the table, a function, graph it to check your answer. Is this a function? So over here, I have given you in the tabular form domain, and over here range. As such, I have told you that x coordinates are domain and y coordinate are range. So in x there is -4, -2, 0, 2 and 4. And in the range y there is number 8, 4, 0, -4 and 8. I have told you earlier also that you have to keep in your mind a concept whether in this tabular form the x value is repeating. No, x value is not repeating. Some kids may be thinking, ma'am, I have written -4 and 4. The number is same. No, -4 means -4 and 4 over here means +4. So no value, no number in domain is repeated. So with this concept, it's clear that this is a function. Now one more test you have to do, that is a vertical test. What you can do, you can draw the two lines. This graph is not on the scale, but when you will be drawing the proper graph, what you will be seeing, that no point, not even a single point is, or only a single point is coming, or what you can say, it's touching the vertical line. So these two things you have to keep in your mind. First is that the value of x should not be repeated, and secondly, vertical test, that when you are drawing the vertical line, at that time not more than a single point should touch the vertical line. So now I think so the concept is clear to you. Now we are going with another example. My question is the relation shown in the table a function or not? Graph it and check your answer. So in the same manner, the tabular form is given: domain x, range y. -5, -5, -2, 1, 4, 4. And in range 3, 6, 3, 5, 2, 6. So first of all, it's clear that it's not a function, because in domain, in means in x, the numbers are repeated again and again, like -5, -5, 4, 4. First point is clear. Now we have to check second point also. Now it's a graph which will be formed, but it's not on the scale. I have just given a rough sketch of the graph. You can make it on your graph paper, and even you can send it to me. I will be checking that graph, and I will be definitely commenting you that whether the graph is right or wrong. Now when you have made this graph, and if you will be putting the vertical lines over here, what you will be seeing, that vertical line is touching 2 or more points. I have told you earlier also, if the vertical line is touching 2 or more points, then it is not function. So now I think so that your concept is clear. What is relations, what are lines and functions, what is domain, what is range. How you can justify whether this is function or not, while keeping two things in your mind. First, the value of x should not be repeated. Secondly, you have to make a graph and you have to check the vertical line test. If the vertical line is touching 2 or more points, then it's not a function. Please keep it in your mind that you have to do both these tests. Means you have to keep in your mind both these points. Then only you can prove whether the table is function or not. Thank you.